The hell? Did it take? Shit. Baby, we ain't doing that. Sit down. I'll order some food. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Right here, I'm updating my stats for my previous video. If you haven't watched it, it'll be up above. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed so I can go and run some errands right quick. I gotta figure this out. I think it's on automatic where it keeps changing. Yeah, backlight, portrait. I don't need it to be shifting. I think I'm gonna try to put this on here for when I go in the store. This came with the bundle that I had, and I think it's in. Well, everything's gonna be in my storefront, but I think this is in content. Gadgets, it's in there. Ain't a lot of stuff in there, so it's easy to find. It's common sense. If it's something that you use in the kitchen, it would be in kitchen and home. If it's something like this, it would be business or content gadgets or something like that. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go. I got my makeshift lunch just to make sure I eat something. Salmon bites, a boiled egg, and that's the other half of my protein bar that I didn't finish yesterday. My water, I like to bring this one because it can fit in here. This one, it cannot fit. That one cannot fit, but I bring it because I need to drink all of that by today. And my content face tracker over there, if I need it. I just use it to do complete a TikTok outside before I pull off. But I don't think I'm gonna need to take it in the store because I'm planning on taking this one. I've never. Did I take this one? Yeah, I took it the first time I used my camera at Target. But it's one of those that folds and grips on the thing supposedly. But I'm gonna see if I can use that. But yeah, because the one I have on now is the Sony grip with the controls and stuff on it. And I want to put the other one on there. That is not gonna work. Oh my gosh. I'm all tangled up. That is not gonna work. I'm gonna try to put it in this one I have. I'm sorry for mixing y'all up, but I gotta figure out something. Okay, it's in my phone tripod on the thing. I don't know how long it's gonna hold because the camera is pretty heavy, but I had to take this little doohickey off that does the voice, you know, the sound. Hopefully it don't sound bad. Is this thing slipping? Because I don't need it to be falling all over the place. Oh, this thing is on. I had to cut that part off. But let me make sure. Oh yeah, my muscle was slipping. I'm not sure. We'll have to just leave it like that. Okay, let me get out of here.
Together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me.
Oh my gosh. About to say raggedy ass camera, but hell, it's new and I just got it. But I just got back from Lowe's and Walmart, and instead of doing a whole haul on a lot of stuff, unless I go to like the Asian market or somewhere like where they have things that I know people may be interested in seeing. I'm not going to do a haul on stuff that people buy, you know, pretty much every day, unless requested or something like that. But I'm going to start doing like not saying honorable mentions because they ain't paying me, but stuff that I buy all the time because it is good, or something that's like a life, well, something like that's deserves a mention, you know, something, you get it in a minute. But anywho, these right here, I don't know if y'all done tasted them. They the muffin tops, but they got this whole family in a chokehold. I'm trying to get out that hole because, baby, I don't need no bread. I can't get no 6-pack eating these every day. I don't eat them every day now, but I still buy them for the kids because they love them. They love them. I loved them, but I love this 6-pack, soon to be 6-pack, more than I love these, okay? But these muffin tops by Thomas. When I tell you, baby, these things are so good. And you can taste the oats. Anyway, this is how they look. They're like $4 and something. And how many come here? I don't even. Oh, six individually wrapped. I just bought 3 boxes. One day I bought like 5. Yep, whatever. There's 6 people in here, and every time I would go, they would be sold out. So I just went ahead and got 5 boxes, so I wouldn't have to worry about that because my store stays out of stock. So I went to another Walmart today over there where Luvs is. I went to that Walmart, so I didn't have to go to this Walmart. It only makes sense. I like going to my Walmart because I know where everything is all the time. But if it's something like that, I'll go to the Walmart closer to the place that I'm going. And it irritates me because ain't shit never in the space it's supposed to be. Or they got stuff. It's never the same. But, yeah, they come in chocolate chip, but I like the blueberry. They like the blueberry. The kids, most of them like the chocolate chip, but anywho, you get the gist. These muffin tops right here. These things good. Those from Walmart. And this right here, I got from Luvs. Y'all know I love me some flowers. Y'all know I love me some flowers. But I don't have these. I don't think I have any tulips. What's this notification for? Oh, Poshmark. But these tulips right here. And I wasn't going to get them. I looked at them and I kept going because the other ones wasn't on sale. I guess because, you know, it got a little brown on there. If you like flowers or you garden and stuff like that, y'all know, okay, it's some good stuff that be on them clearance racks and everything. Like when they start changing colors or got stuff like that going on, they know they're not going to take the time to bring them back to life or trim them or nothing like that. So they put them on sale for clearance. Like this is it's $12.98. This was $12.98, but I got it for $7 because it was on the clearance. Yeah, and it's with this little pretty bucket. I'm going to leave it in the bucket because I like color on my porch. But yeah, these tulips were $7. See if I can get me a picture. I need to get my clicker. Can't. Ciao. What the hell? Did it take? Shit. Let me see. Maybe I don't know. But anywho, I'm gonna I got some of the transfer cabbage or whatever. Baby, what am I talking about? I got some cabbage to transplant. I said transfer. What are you talking about? Anywho. And I'm going to start direct sow some when I plant those or whatever. But I'm going to go ahead and close this out because I know, like, it can start here and then end up here or whatever if you don't pick somewhere to close it out at. But I'm going to go ahead and put the stuff up that I got today. And then probably edit the video that I did earlier today. Not on this, on something else. And yeah. guess I have to. What are we eating today? Today is Wednesday. Oh yeah, they got noodles today. The food. Yep. Mondays are sandwich days. Tuesdays is taco Tuesdays. Wednesdays is noodles day now. Yes, noodles. But they do all kind of fancy stuff. I cook boiled eggs, put in noodles and everything. So it's like some luxury noodles. Don't judge me. But Thursdays is pasta days. Fridays is like something quick, like hot dogs, corn dogs, burgers, or something like that, or whatever. And of course, Saturdays we eat out every Saturday, or we order through DoorDash or Uber Eats, and they bring it. And Sunday, of course, I cook, unless it's just one of those Sundays where, baby, I need some time, and I don't feel like getting up, and I just want to lounge. And usually I'm still trying to cook when I feel like that, but baby, like, baby, we ain't doing that. Sit down. I'll order some food. It's okay, babe. Them kids don't care as long as they eat. And it be so hard for me sometimes, but sometimes I admit I need it. I went to sleep last weekend on Sunday, and that nap was so good. I don't do naps, but Bae insisted, so I was like, I was on my whole neck, okay? But yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. And be you, because only you can do it best. And just live. Why? Because that's the message.
My bills paid, rent paid, nails did, hair slayed.